Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super quick sewing trick to make a loose or stretched out neckline smaller. It only takes a few minutes, and it's really easy for anyone to do. So let's get started. First, take a measuring tape and measure the neckline to the exact size you want. Next, draw a straight line from each marked point up toward the shoulder, just like you can see in the video. Once you've marked the desired size on both sides, it's time to start sewing. Sew along the marked line using a zigzag stitch, just like this. Keep sewing all the way to the end. Now, gently pull the thread firmly to bring the two edges of the fabric closer together. Then, sew the excess fabric down along the neckline so it stays hidden and doesn't show from the outside. And that's it for the first side. If you're enjoying this simple sewing trick, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support really helps me make more easy and useful sewing tutorials. Now let's repeat the same steps on the other side. By the way, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Let me know in the comments below. Have you ever tried fixing a loose neckline like this? If you have, share your experience with me in the comments. and we're done. As you can see, the neckline is now smaller and fits much better. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple sewing tips and clothing repair ideas. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you in the next video.